Remember DRS? Remember when I was trying to tell people how it actually worked? Remember when they were saying, Infinity Pool, man, we're going to create the MOAS, man. We're going to lock in our shares, man. We're going to lock the float, man. Yeah, like I thought, and actually like I knew, bullshit. So let's read, again, some documentation showing why, maybe just why, the Fidelity short sale availability to borrow went up. So, naked short sales. This is Regulation Show. It's a SEC document. In a naked short sale, the seller does not borrow or arrange to borrow the securities in time to make delivery to the buyer with standard 3-day settlement period. As a result, the seller fails to deliver securities to the buyer when the delivery is due. Now, this is the important part. Failures to deliver may result from either a short or long sale. There may be legitimate reasons for a failure to deliver. For example, human or mechanical errors or processing delays can result from transferring securities in physical certificate rather than book entry form. So what just happened? Didn't we just all, blindly hand over our physical security rights in exchange for a DRS advice with our name on it? Because we think that makes us owners of the stock? No. You were an owner when you had rights to your certificate, but you just gave that away. So now, likely the scenario we're in is because you unsettled all those shares and decided to transfer them to DRS because of reasons that don't make sense. That process in and of itself, based on the SEC's own definition of how the market structure and market architecture works, is that you literally just created fails to deliver that they are allowed to borrow in order to close. So you shouldn't be blaming Fidelity. You should be blaming yourself for listening to morons without any inkling of a clue for how this shit works, because they don't want to read the shit that tells you how it works. Now, again, I mean, it's just absurd. I'm gonna go back and sleep under a rock again. But yeah, last time I checked, MOAS hasn't happened. So good job, Korean. You did it, bud. You did it. And everyone else that decided to attack me and all that shit. Yeah. Good job.